And a good Sunday, everybody. 17th of January, 2021. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. Jewel with J7409 Weather, the news that you can use. Now, we're looking at the NDFD map. What's going to happen? Now, this just goes through the 12Z run of Tuesday, but for today, strong and potentially damaging winds are expected across a large portion of California. They should start up late today and continue into Tuesday. We've got some additional periods of snow that's expected from the Ohio Valley into the central and southern Appalachians, and lake effect snow should continue with locally heavy amounts possible east of Erie and Ontario. As we take a look at my future radar, I have this set for 3 days, which is the NAM map. So when I turn it on, you can see the date, the time, and the different time zones as to what you may expect. If you're into the weather and you like to keep up with what's happening, please subscribe if you hadn't. Click subscribe, click that bell, and make sure you check off all to ensure you get all my latest videos. I have put up some forecast that looks like may be happening today through Wednesday, and that's all in the community post. You can scroll down and see which ones may apply to you and click that link, okay? Turning on the NAM map here, we do have a weak area of low pressure, and it's associated with a cold front. Now, this cold front is going to move across the northern Rockies into the high plains, and it should produce some widespread light to moderate snows across the region today into tomorrow, Monday. Now, while widespread heavy snow accumulations are not expected, slippery roads along with blowing snow and reduced visibilities may make travel difficult at times, so keep that in mind. Strong northerly and easterly winds are expected to develop across northern California into central California later today, continuing through Tuesday. Downed trees and power lines, as well as difficult driving conditions, can be expected. The winds are going to pick up, folks, promoting widespread high wind watches and wind advisories across the region. By late Monday, damaging winds are forecast to develop farther to the south across southern portions of Southern California as well. And we have a developing area of low pressure along the coast. It could start to spread some beneficial precipitation across Southern California and into the southwest beginning early Tuesday. I know some of my subscribers in Arizona would like a little rain. Maybe some's coming up. Looks like you might get some. We'll have to wait and see how fast this develops and how strong it is, but maybe you'll get some. Now, across the Midwest and the eastern U.S., I don't know about you guys, but I'm in the eastern U.S., as you know, the mid-Atlantic area, and boy, it's cold. Woo-wee. Well, we got an upper level system. It's moving into the Ohio Valley, and it is expected to produce some additional periods of snow from the Ohio Valley into the central and southern Appalachians today. Now, I think the snow will be light, and before it's all over, it could mix with some rain. Now, lake effect snow showers, they should continue in the lee of the lake areas with locally heavy amounts possible, especially now if you're downwind of the lakes of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. And that's a check of your weather. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for everything you do for me. I appreciate it, and thank you muchly. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. And may each of you have much peace, love, and kindness in your life today and the days ahead. Thanks for watching.